Heritage. Heritage refers to those precious features in our lives that are passed on from one generation to another. They include traditions, monuments, historical buildings, memorials, archaeological sites, natural resources, and artifacts such as paintings, drawings, music, dance forms, sculptures, and many other valuable things.
Hi, I'm Jaya Chakravarti. I'm standing here in front of Vinod and Vinay Luthra India Heritage Center of Rochester. India Heritage Museum was started in the year 2019 to highlight the culture, the traditions, and the accomplishments of India and the Indo-American community of Greater Rochester.
India Heritage Museum rents the Vinod and Vinay Luthra India Heritage Center of ICC to present its exhibits. ICC is the India Community Center of Rochester, New York. India Heritage Museum is currently a subsidiary of the Hindu Heritage Summer Camp, which was established in the year 1976. While maintaining the legacy of India's culture and values, the primary objective of India Heritage Museum is educational. And from this standpoint, a variety of events are periodically organized to increase an awareness among the people. The Indian community in Rochester, New York, in the year 2019, did a presentation on Gandhi in collaboration with MK Gandhi Institute for Nonviolence. Mr. Ashwin Shah took the initiative to organize this event at the Luthra India Heritage Center. The event was inaugurated by Padmanabh and Amrit Kamath. It was called Gandhi at 150. It was a comprehensive display to celebrate Mahatma Gandhi's 150th birth anniversary and to bring an increased awareness about Gandhian principles of truth, love, compassion, peace, and non-violence to the community of Rochester, Monroe County, and beyond. The website ihmrochester.org has a separate virtual tour dedicated to the event Gandhi at 150. The first exhibition was on July 11, 2020 and continued successfully until August 16, 2020. It was called The Indo-American Artists of Greater Rochester. The exhibit displayed works of several artists living in the Greater Rochester area. The artists used a variety of media, including watercolors, acrylic paints, oil paints, pencils, mixed media, as well as digital art. Some remarkable thematic artworks presented topics on social issues such as child labor and many other themes from rural India. The second exhibit was about the states of India. It was on display from September 5th to October 11, 2020. More than 40 middle school and high school students took part in this show. They did a comprehensive study of 36 Indian states and union territories and presented their research. The exhibit also mapped interesting details about the gradually changing landscape of India over the centuries, along with the facts of different empires and dynasties that ruled India. The third exhibit was about the religions of India, which was from November 7th to December 13th, 2020. In this exhibit, 9 religious groups shared a remarkable amount of information. These religions included Baha'i, Buddhism, Christianity, Hinduism, Islam, Jainism, Judaism, Sikhism, and Zoroastrianism. Fourth was the exhibit on Punjab. from March 20th to April 25th, 2021. This exhibit was extremely dynamic in nature. It thoroughly examined historical data along with numerous rare artifacts, was presented in a very artistic way. Several visitors expressed the view that they felt as if they were walking down the beautiful streets of Punjab. In addition, the sponsors of the Punjab exhibit had organized a grand outdoor fair on the IHM premises. The fifth exhibit was about Indian cinema from May 8th to June 13th, 2021. The popular Bollywood commercial film industry had its modest beginnings nearly 100 years back. A methodically sketched timeline was a thing of profound contemplation for many visitors. All types of genre have found a home in Bollywood. The exhibit covered a volume of information about the Indian cinema. Sixth was the exhibit on Inspirational Americans of Indian Origin. It was from September 11th to October 17th, 2021. The local middle school and high school students took initiative in presenting this exhibit. Selected personalities of Indian origin were studied in detail. The exhibit portrayed Nobel laureates, CEOs and founders, university presidents, well-known scientists, doctors, economists, and famous people from the culinary world. And now, the next exhibit that is on display from November 13th to December 19th, 2021 is on Ayurveda Holistic Medicine from India. This unique exhibit is very special and has excellent authentic information provided by the practicing professionals in the field. Historical records confirm that this ancient science of Ayurveda developed 3000 years back, offers a great amount of knowledge and wisdom, and allows one to understand how to balance body, mind, and consciousness. The India Heritage Museum believes in applying innovative and creative techniques to collect and present authentic information.